good to go. All right, we just spotted a snowy.
Oh yeah, chilling on the fence post.
This is adventure number 2 with Brad. And we just asked this nice family if we could go explore their farm. And now we're gonna go find it. We're gonna creep up on the snowy owl. See if we can get some nice photos.
Yeah, I'm still really far away. There she is.
That's sweet.
We're just gonna take our time. If you approach too fast, they get skittish and fly away. So we'll just watch her for a little bit. That way she feels a bit more comfortable. Just get to watch her hunt. Yeah, I'm still really far away.
Just took off. Missed it.
All right, well, let's try again.
Yeah.
Go somewhere else.
We just had an epic experience right now.
Sure did.
You want to tell them what we just saw?
So, snowy owl hanging out in the tree right here. I think it's tonight or tomorrow night, and it's a super moon. And the moon is out behind that tree. And we had the snowy owl like right in frame with that moon. Like it was right behind her. I can't wait to see that footage.
Oh man.
So nice.
And you said we spotted another rare bird.
Yeah, there's a northern shrike up at the top of that tree. That's a predatory songbird.
Okay.
They are badass little dudes. They will catch bugs and small other birds, and they will impale them on thorns and stash them for later. But they are endangered. There
Wow.
are recovery efforts for them and everything. So that is really cool.